Many people think ChatGPT can only be used in a browser or mobile app. But you can also use ChatGPT directly on WhatsApp, even on your PC. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp step by step using a computer. First, open your browser on your PC and go to WhatsApp web. Log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Now go to your own contact and send this number as a message. +1 800 242 8478. This is the ChatGPT WhatsApp number. After sending the number, click on the blue number you just sent and select Chat with +1 800 242 8478. You will see the ChatGPT chat there. You can now start using ChatGPT directly from WhatsApp on your computer. Ask questions, write text, get explanations, translations, or help with studies and work. All replies will appear inside WhatsApp, and you can easily copy and use them on your PC. This is very useful if you want fast AI help without opening a browser again and again. That's how you can use ChatGPT on WhatsApp using your PC. If this video helped you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple tech tips.